Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito with Lahori Zeera. Muddle mint leaves gently with lime wedges and sugar to release aroma. Lightly toast a pinch of Lahori Zeera and crush it before adding to the muddle. Add ice, 2 ounces white rum, and stir. Top with club soda, garnish with mint sprig and lime wheel, then taste and adjust sugar or Zeera to preference for a warm, spiced twist. In this video, I will explain how to make mojito with Lahori Zeera. Start by heating a dry pan and toast a small pinch of Zeera until fragrant, about 20 seconds. Grind or crush to a coarse texture so it mingles with mint without clumping. Add the crushed Zeera during muddling so oils infuse with lime and sugar. This keeps the flavor bright and balances the mint with a warm cumin note. In this video, I will review how to make mojito with Lahori Zeera. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They last through long nights of cocktail crafting. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make mojito with Lahori Zeera. Fill a glass with crushed ice for rapid chilling and gentle dilution. After muddling, add measured rum, then stir once to combine without bruising mint. Top with club soda and give a brief lift to marry flavors. Taste and tweak sweetness or Zeera quantity, then present with an attractive mint sprig and lime wheel for a bright, balanced cocktail experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.